Welcome back to our show, Dark Side of Bio with a Sour Twist, featuring our host, Dr. Lemons. The theme is cells. We have 2 callers on the line right now who have some questions for us. Caller number 1, you are now on air.
Yeah, hello, this is Big Daddy, and I have a question for you about how proteins are made. I've always been curious after I've known the 4 macromolecules, protein being one of them. So can you tell me how proteins are made?
Yes, Big Daddy, you said your name was?
Yep.
Yes, well, proteins are very vital, and I must stress this enough. When you say made, you should know that there are only 12 of the 20 proteins that are made within our bodies. The other 8 must be eaten or obtained through
Are those
other
8
means.
essential amino acids?
No, 8 essential proteins, Big Daddy. And, well, a protein is made when the mRNA that was copied from the nucleus goes to the ribosome. There, the ribosome will transcribe the protein by obtaining amino acids according to the codons in each section of the mRNA. And each protein has a specific amino acid sequence. And thus, once the sequence is made, the protein is released from the ribosome will split, and the protein will be used however the body wants it to.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Lemons.
Thank you, caller number 1. Caller number 2, you are now on air.
Hello, Dr. Lemons. I have a question.
Yes, first of all, ma'am, you are a ma'am, yes?
Yes, I am a ma'am.
Ma'am, do you smoke by any chance?
No, I do not. Why would you assume that I do?
No reason. Continue. What was your name again?
My name is, Mrs. Barone.
Oh, I see, Mrs. Barone. And your question is?
My question is, what is the difference between active and passive transport in the cell? I just can't get my mind wrapped around the difference in them.
Well, first off, ma'am, I'd like to say that smoking's bad, and, well, active transport is the use of energy to push molecules across a membrane. And in the case of cells, which is our theme, we would use active transport by putting energy, or ATP, into special pumps. It's much like protein pumps or even the electron pump. And passive transport is the use without energy, using a gradient of somehow, an electron gradient, a hydrogen gradient, anything, even a pressure gradient. And those molecules will move through channels or gateways or somehow through the membrane. And those gateways and channels are proteins.
Well, thank you very much. That was a good explanation. I am, gonna go back to the high school. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and,
Yes, thank you,
please
caller
do not
number
smoke.
2. I appreciate your call. Now, it's time for the question of the day.
Ooh, the question. And the question of the
We have caller number 3 ready to answer the question of the day.
Alright, caller number
Dr.
3.
Lemons will be answering this question. Caller number 3, you are now on air.
Caller number 3.
Hello, my name's Elizabeth. Why am I British?
I don't quite know. And the question is,
Wait, do I sound British? I mean, all the girls in my school sound British, but I'm just like, why am I British? But I don't know why I'm British. And sometimes I want to go shopping and play tennis and do all kinds of other stuff. And then I just want to go shopping with the girls, then go hang out with my boyfriend Jake.
Sir?
And then her
Sir,
boyfriend's name's Jake, and her name's Shelly. They keep getting together and they got married and all this other stuff, and they had a relationship, and then they ended it, and then they... Thank you, caller number 3, for that annoying call. Now, for the real question of the day, we have caller number 4 on the line, who's ready to answer a question. Caller number 4, go ahead. Yeah, I'm ready to answer a question.
Alright, caller number 4, are you ready? This is the grand prize question. Now, before I answer this, tell us a little about yourself. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Wichita, Kansas.
And where specifically are you calling from?
Kansas.
That's nice. And what do you like doing? Where are you right now?
Right now I'm being a Canuck in Canada, and I'm just enjoying the pretty views and stuff, and the hockey games and all kinds of stuff.
Oh, see, the hockey man, yes.
And I've always wanted to win a grand prize though, and see where that takes me in life, and we'll see. I'm ready for a question now.
The question of the day is, what is it like?
Oh snap! Get your microscopes ready, it's about to replicate. Everybody in lab, put your scalpels down, but get ready to take some notes. Cause I'm lecturing this, so let's go. I'm in a cell. I'm in a cell. Everybody look at me, cause I'm floating in a cell. I'm in a cell. I'm in a cell. Take a good hard look at this mitotic cell. I'm in a cell. Donahue, take a look at me. Straight flowing in the cell cytoplasmic sea. Watching DNA copy RNA as well. I hope there's no mutations, cause I'm in the cell. Take a piece, Dons, I'm feeling so fly. I'm drinking isotonic solution so I don't die. It's got its rough ER and its ribosomes. It's packing proteins while you're sleeping in your home. I'm riding on an enzyme, breaking down like a deli. The enzyme's working, making everybody all jelly. But this ain't fiction, this cell's located in your belly. At least it's not in a cat, cause they are really smelly.
I'm in a cell and it's multiplying. It's got the thickest layers of the membranes. It's a eukaryote, organelles that are bound. If you'll get it, you'll know it, so don't mess around.
Get your lab coats on, the cats are here!
Get silly, it's got flagella, mother hugger. Forget chloropus, it's got centrioles, mother hugger. I'm on a vacuole with its storage, mother hugger. The cell's mitochondria makes ATP, mother hugger.
Hey Hook, if you could see this cell performing metabolic processes which you can tell. When it's gonna divide, it will grow and swell. Thanks to epigenetics, anything is possible.
Okay, yes, that was a very interesting answer. What was your name, sir?
Cotton.
Mr. Cotton? Oh, that reminds me of my old high school teacher, V. Dons. Yes, V. Dons. Have you ever heard of her?
Yeah. Kinda, we're in the same class together.
Oh, that would explain why you got the question wrong, sir. Yes, the correct answer we were looking for was like a swimming pool. Yes, like a swimming pool. What is it like inside the cell? Like a swimming pool. I'm sorry, sir, but there are no consolation prizes. Is there anything you would like to say before we kick you off the show?
You like that? You would like that.
Maybe. Well, that's all we
Remember
have.
Anchi Poo?
Anchi? That girl that's out in the front? Yes. Is this allowed? What is this? Alright. I will end the day for here. Thank you for all you've done, and toodaloo.
Tickles her chest out.
I'm recording.
Chest out.
How do I do it?
Chest out.
Which button? This one?
Okay, now turn it on low. Okay,
This is going in our bloopers.
chest up my butt. Okay.
Alright.
You ready?
Anchi Poo, this is for
Wait, why I can't
you.
hear you.